Spacious and practical design. Offers a comfortable interior, 82.6 L by 55 inches W by 45 inches H, for 2 people. Two 24-inch wide vestibules created by the flysheet provide extra, dry storage space for your camping gear and boots, keeping the sleeping area clutter-free. All-season weather protection. Built with a rugged double-layer design. The Rainfly, featuring a snow skirt, is made from 210T anti-tear polyester with fully taped seams, offering exceptional PU 3000 mm waterproofing. The breathable inner mesh tent ensures excellent ventilation during warm summer nights, making it a reliable 4-season shelter. Quick and easy setup. A freestanding design with just 2 lightweight aluminum poles allows for a fast and hassle-free setup. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced camper, you can have your shelter ready in under 10 minutes.
Portable mummy sleeping bag with graphene lining for adults. Cold weather, 27 degrees Fahrenheit to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, lightweight and water resistant. Warm, compact for camping, backpacking, hiking. Open black lens bracket. Wake up to your own efficient warmth. Close black lens bracket. The graphene lining works like a heat mirror, actively recycling your body's warmth back to you. This cuts heat loss dramatically, so you stay warmer longer with less effort. Open black lens bracket. Warmth that honors nature. Close black lens bracket. Rest easy knowing your comfort comes from 200 GSM of high performance, plant-based fill, sourced from materials like corn sugar, delivering reliable warmth with a significantly lower environmental footprint. Open black lens bracket. 3 to 4 season comfort sanctuary, down to 27 degrees Fahrenheit, -3 degrees Celsius. Close black lens bracket. Experience balanced, adaptable warmth. The adjustable hood seals in heat, while bottom zippers vent excess warmth. No more chills or overheating, engineered as your all-season haven for camping adventures. Open black lens bracket. Ultra light and ultra compact. Close black lens bracket. Packs down to a mere 17 inches by 11 inches by 5 inches in its included sack, smaller than a standard pillow. This ergonomic mummy bag delivers maximum warmth with minimal bulk, liberating space and weight for everything else on your journey.
Instantly convert from a supportive chair to a recliner with a removable footrest. Enjoy superior comfort with an extra-wide, plush padded seat and headrest. Relax with confidence thanks to a heavy-duty steel frame supporting 400 pounds. Set up and pack away this lightweight chair in minutes for easy portability.
The cutlery is made from stainless steel and wooden handle, corrosion-resistant and reliable to use. The storage bag is made from waxed canvas and reinforced edges, water-resistant and durable. Multiple slots inside the bag help keep your cutlery in.
What is camping? Camping means spending time in nature, escaping city stress, and experiencing basic outdoor living skills. Whether by the sea, in a forest, or near a lake, even a one-day camping trip can become an unforgettable experience with proper planning.
Keycap 1 shelter, tent, suitable for weather conditions, ground sheet or footprint. Sleeping bag, sleeping pad or inflatable mattress. Keycap 2 food and cooking. Portable camping stove, pot, pan, cutlery, thermos, enough food and water for one day. Keycap 3 personal gear, backpack, flashlight or headlamp, power bank, first aid kit, wet wipes, trash bags. Keycap 4 clothing, weather appropriate clothes, extra t-shirt and socks, rain jacket, comfortable hiking shoes.
Spiral calendar. 1-day camping plan. Sunrise morning. Arrive early. Set up tent. Prepare breakfast. Short nature walk. Sun face afternoon. Light lunch. Sandwich, pasta, canned food. Take photos. Read or relax. Swim if possible. Sunset evening. Watch the sunset. Cook simple dinner. Campfire, if allowed, tea or coffee time. Crescent moon night. Stargazing. Rest in tent. Leave the area clean.
Important tips. Check if camping is legally allowed in the area. Follow fire safety rules. Respect nature. Take your trash with you. Check the weather forecast beforehand. Bullseye conclusion. Even a one-day camping trip can refresh your mind and body when properly planned. Respect nature, stay prepared, and enjoy the adventure.
The mist drifted over the fields along the road. The concrete scent of the city had given way to the calm of the earth. When I reached the forest, there was no phone signal, and it was the most beautiful feeling of freedom I had felt in a long time. I pitched my tent near the lake. I poured tea from my thermos. As the steam rose, only one thought came to mind. Sometimes, even a single day is enough to reset yourself. I went for a short walk. Leaves crackling under my feet. The gentle touch of the wind. The calm of the pond. At noon, I set up my small camping stove. I made sausage sandwiches. The smoke mingled with the forest air. Even the simplest meal cooked outdoors became a feast here. Coffee over the coals, silence, peace. I sat for hours doing nothing. No notifications, no rush, only the moment existed. In the late afternoon, as I packed my tent, a strange sense of peace filled me. The sunset painted the sky orange, and it felt as if nature whispered, "Whenever you're tired, just come back." And I realized, sometimes you don't need long vacations to escape. You just need the courage to get on the road.